Hi guys, I want to let you know that we're trying out this free GitHub session here. It's called Kiro Discussions, and it's on the Kiro Dupes GitHub. And the end goal is it should replace what we had in the previous life, the Telegram and Discord channels. I do not want to spend a lot of time in maintaining those Discord bots and Telegram bots and all the spammers and the trollers that came with it, right? Let's go for a GitHub where you can actually say something, right? And we have a URL here. So this is the README, but it includes also a website, which is this, help shape Kiro, and from a comment to a roadmap. If I don't know what lives in the community, I can't code it, right? If you don't talk to me, say, okay, I'd like to change this and that, share an idea. And this is a straight up link to something deeper already. So if you go back up to discussions, you can have all kinds of things, a new discussion, you load it up, announcements, that's for me when I can share something, ideas, put them in here, you can vote them up, I hope, right? Because that was a general idea. I would like that the ATT can do this and this and that, and other people read it and say, oh yeah, I want that too, okay, and the number goes up, and I know, okay, this is in demand, right? Polls, if you need it, you can make polls, I can make polls. Q&A is more for you to help each other, guys. This is here for you, for the community. I'll keep an eye on it, right? But my goal has to be one man show, right? One man show with Claude is coding and teaching and making tutorials. That's my energy. That's what I like to do. So help each other. And here is the platform to do so. Show and tell is for, well, basically to show and tell. Look what I've made. And I've made an app and I followed your tutorials with Claude, and look at this app that I created and stuff like that. All right. Let's try this out. The Kiro Discussions GitHub. There is only one thing, which is not a bad thing at all, unless you do not like who's behind GitHub. That is, you have to make an account to be able to do anything. But making backups for the scripts, for example, ArchLinux Nemesis script, right? Having something that tracks the apps and the dot files that you have is not a bad idea, right? So needing to, the need to have an login is there anyway, right? And the more serious guys who want to help Kiro become better, they'll make an account and then they can talk in this Kiro Discussions platform. All right, cheers.